Let's see what you're gonna get when you order our subscription pack. Firstly, you get free postage Australia-wide, and it comes in this cute little envelope. Once you unbox it, you'll get this cute little tissue papered package. Once you open it, there'll be a little exclusive sticker which will give you a little sneak peek as to what your sticker pack's gonna look like. First thing that you're gonna see is this little postcard for your specific month. It's gonna have the theme of the month, and you'll have a little introduction to it. And then you will find your 98 exclusive stickers for the month, which are hand drawn by me. Each pack, you will get 3 different sticker sheets. Let's have a look at each one individually. The first sheet are these large stickers, which you receive 12 of every month, and I hand draw new ones every single month based on the season for Australia. Every month you'll also receive a sheet of 23 different words. These will be things specific to the month, but also things that you need every month, like payday. And you have, which are my personal favorites, the mini stickers. Every month you will receive a sheet of 63 mini stickers. These first couple rows are ones that you'll receive every month, and they're your essentials for birthdays, appointments, etc. You'll then have 2 rows of seasonal stickers. So these will change every 3 months along with the seasons. And then the bottom couple rows, they are mini versions of your monthly stickers, so you can also put them in your monthly layout. Let's plan the month together. The first thing that I like to do when I'm planning my month is writing out all of my important dates. I've now written all the dates for the first week of April, so I'm now going to go add all of my stickers. I've now finished planning week 1 of April, and I'm now going to go plan the rest of the weeks, and then I'll show you at the end. I've now finished planning the last few weeks of April, and these are the stickers that I've used up so far. And I've got quite a few little mini stickers that I can use up once more things come up for the month. This is what week 1 looks like. Then the next week. And the final week. Make sure you tag me on social so I can see your planner setups too. Bye!